Okay, YouTube, gonna try and catch a bee swarm. Put it in that hive. I've got it ready. It looks like a queen either hatched out or left. Small swarm. And we are recording. Okay. So sometimes these branches kind of spring up when they're clipped, which is a little problematic. So I don't know. I got one's attention already. They're supposed to be really easy to handle like this. Not going to be easy. We're going to try and give it a try.
Oh, God.
It stung on the ear pretty good. So I don't know if the queen made it in there. Yeah, one. They're on me. A whole bunch of them are inside there now, so hopefully they'll decide. I got a 10 snips that's going to spend the night out there.
Yeah. Little cat just went in the chicken coop.
Look at half of them are going into that container. I'm going to have to clean them in there. That swarm's way bigger than I thought it was.
Do you want to take the phone back?
Yeah. Well, I don't know if I got the queen. I don't know. I'll just have to let him calm down. I can try and get the rest in there later. All right.